We decided to form Automated Insurance Solutions so that we could bring to market some products that would really help address some of the key issues that we see further towards the end of the claims handling process, particularly around things like liability and the decisions that are being made early on and how they affect both the life cycle of claims, the cost of settlement and crucially the customer experience for both general insurers and brokers. Bale's the first product that we've decided to bring to market from AIS. It addresses a particular issue that we've identified around liability decision making, particularly at the front end of the claims process. Certainly at FNOL, we find that there are handlers with a varying degree of experience and skill set pertinent to liability, particularly given the complexity of the decisions that need to be made. We really see how that affects both the claims life cycle and the cost throughout the process of a claim. Existing liability solutions are very much more process. I think what we've seen in the past when we've tried to embed this is they're very vague and actually require a great deal of understanding from the user in order to really get the best from them, which is not necessarily always present in the individuals using that technology. I think also customers really don't want to feel like they're talking with a machine guiding that conversation. They want to feel the personal touch from the person they're speaking to and also believe that they've really got the expertise to be dealing with that matter at hand.
Well, the whole brain side of it is based on the Rainbird platform, using their bespoke language, RB Lang, which, I mean, I don't come from a development background at all. I've got no professional IT skills, but I've been able to use their platform to code the knowledge that we've got into an IT system, as it were, or an artificial intelligence IT system that does all the thinking for us. It's almost like putting our skills, our expertise, and all the data we've got available into a relatively simple platform that integrates really nicely with the front end that we've built.
Well, Bale was a really interesting project because what we did was to train the guys from Automated Insurance Solutions on how to use Rainbird themselves. So they already had the subject matter expertise, but what we did was work with them collaboratively to understand what their idea was and how they could use Rainbird to produce it. As their project evolved, what we did was offer support. So we were there to perhaps brainstorm a few ideas and perhaps give them a bit more information on how else they could use Rainbird. Rainbird's quite flexible in the way that if you want to work, there's a lot of options it can use.
Rainbird is a perfect fit for the Bale project because it puts the expert at the centre of the authoring process. It's also capable of making judgments when you don't have all of the facts and reflect that in the outcome. And finally, Rainbird provides an audit trail for every automated judgment that has been made. So it's possible to see not only what the answer is, but also to understand how sure the software is and to get a plain English explanation to satisfy the organisation that this is based on fact.
Bale is an AI-led automated decisioning tool to assist in the assessment, collection of data and decision making around motor liability.